Can you help Peppa make a cake? Let's mix the ingredients in the bowl. Tap to pour the cake batter. Set the timer to bake the cake. Time to decorate the cake. Oh dear, Peppa's car has broken down. Daddy Pig had better call Grandad Dog's garage and ask for help. Danny Dog has answered the phone. Grandad Dog is on his way. Can you drive Grandad Dog's tow truck to rescue Peppa's car? Tap on the red button to make the car stop at the traffic lights. Has arrived with his tow truck. Can you hook Peppa's car to it? Excellent! You have attached the hook. Turn the winch to tow the car. The car is ready to drive back to Grandad Dog's garage. good at driving. Fantastic! Peppa's car is fixed. Grandad Dog has a fancy new car wash. Is making lots of bubbles. You have been a great helper today. Ballet lesson. Today at Playgroup, Peppa is learning how to dance. Madame Gazelle teaches the Peppa and her friends love to. At home, Peppa wants. It looks like Mummy Pig. Everyone loves. Peppa and her family have come to America and are excited to explore in their camper van. Peppa and her family are camping. Daddy Pig has a telescope and wants to show Peppa and George the stars. Tap on the telescope to look through it. Cepheus, the king. Draco, the dragon. Ursa Major, the big bear. Vila, the sail. Oh, look! Monster trucks! Look at their giant wheels! 3, 2, 1, go! One, two, three, 4, 5. Well done, Peppa Pig. Wow, you have made that monster truck jump really far. Peppa and her family are camping. Daddy Pig has a telescope. Daddy Pig has driven everyone to the Grand Canyon. It is a big hole that contains a giant desert with rocks, and it looks like the moon. Miss Rabbit is going to take Peppa and her family on a helicopter ride. You can fly along with them. There are lots of interesting things in the Grand Canyon. Can you help Miss Rabbit find them in the helicopter? Well done, you found it. Let's look around the canyon some more. Let's look around the canyon some more. Well done, you found it. Let's look around the canyon some more. Wow! Peppa is meeting Super Potato and Hash Brown. You can decorate the scene.